Top 5 stocks that I think will outperform the S&P 500 in 2024. Today's video is a game changer because we're diving into the world of tech and artificial intelligence stocks and why they're set to beat the S&P 500 in 2024. If you're wondering why the smart money is leaning towards tech, you're in the right place. In general, tech and AI look set to outperform the S&P, and we'll be looking at 5 reasons to back this up. Then we'll be focused on 5 stocks that are going to outperform the S&P 500 in my opinion. So you have the opportunity to make some good returns to help build your wealth. The future is coming and it's coming fast. You can be scared, you can worry, but none of us can stop things like artificial intelligence. So why not invest in tech and AI stocks so we can capitalize on what's coming? Reason number 1, innovation on steroids. Saying AI is not for me is like going back 100 years and saying cars are not for me. I'm going to stick with my horse. Can you imagine life without a car or without having the internet in your pocket? Us humans innovate. It's a fact of life. I'm a bit scared of AI and technology because it's moving so fast, but I at least want to try and keep up. I'm open to it at least. Tech companies and AI stocks are at the forefront of groundbreaking innovations. Reason number 2, market disruption. Look at some recent examples like Netflix, Apple or Facebook. Imagine you could go back and invest in these companies when they were startups. Well, if you're open to AI and tech, you might just find the next disruptors. Who is the company that's going to produce driverless taxis en masse? Will it be Tesla or will it be a company nobody has heard about? This is the type of question I'm asking myself as I think about the future. The disruptors of today are the market leaders of tomorrow. Tech companies have a knack for shaking up traditional industries, creating new markets, and redefining the way we live and work. Reason number 3, adaptability. As investors, we need to be adaptable and be up to speed with what's going on. Look at Gary Vee, for example. He was able to invest in companies like Facebook and Twitter very early on because he knew what was coming with social media. In a rapidly evolving world, adaptability is key, and tech companies have mastered this art. Whether it's adapting to changing consumer needs, navigating regulatory landscapes, or pivoting in the face of adversity, these companies thrive on staying ahead of the curve. Reason number 4, global reach. Unlike some traditional companies, tech giants have a global footprint. Their products and services transcend borders, providing them with diverse revenue streams and exposure to a wide range of markets. This global perspective can be a game changer for investors seeking growth beyond domestic boundaries. Reason number 5, earnings potential. If you're like me, you will want to maximize your earning potential. I'm like this at work. I want to maximize my earning potential so that I have spare money to invest, so I can invest for my financial future, and hopefully you're the same. I'm also looking for successful companies with high earnings or potential high earnings. Tech and AI stocks are not just about the hype, they're backed by strong financials. When you dig deeper into tech and AI companies, you will see huge potential earnings. Just a little disclaimer before we get into the 5 stocks we're looking at. This video doesn't contain any financial advice. The data I'm about to use comes from Hargreaves and Lansdown and applies to the time of this video only. Market caps and stock prices can change daily. Stock number 1 is Microsoft. Currently, Microsoft has a market cap of $2.95 trillion and a stock price of $398. We all know this company and most of us use their products every day. Microsoft develops and supports personal computing software. The company is also a leader in cloud computing services that enable the development and support of enterprise applications. Microsoft has long been a productive position for investors. A giant among tech stocks, Microsoft has the size, scale and customer base to monetize its AI expertise in a big way. CFO Amy Hood has said the company's AI products, plus its partnership with OpenAI, will deliver $10 billion in revenue. She didn't outline a time frame, but she did confirm the expectation of reaching that 10 billion threshold relatively quickly. Stock number 2 is Taiwan Semiconductor, TSM. Currently this stock has a market cap of $517 billion and a stock price of $114. Taiwan Semiconductor is the world's largest chip foundry, producing semiconductors under contracts for major tech companies, including Microsoft and Nvidia. AI and machine learning applications are dependent on increasingly complex chips. In 2021, research from McKinsey estimated that AI was contributing 5 to 8 billion in earnings before interest and taxes annually to semiconductor companies. The same research predicts those numbers would increase to 85 billion to 95 billion annually. TSM, which owns over half of the global semiconductor foundry market, is at the front of the line to collect that growth. So this stock is worth looking into in my humble opinion. Stock number 3 is MicroStrategy. Currently MicroStrategy has a market cap of $6.43 billion and a stock price of $451. MicroStrategy is a business intelligence and analytics company that gained attention in the financial markets for its strategic investment in Bitcoin. MicroStrategy made headlines by converting a significant portion of its treasury reserves into Bitcoin as part of its corporate strategy. MicroStrategy's stock performance has been influenced not only by its core business in business intelligence, but also by the market's perception of its Bitcoin holdings. The company's move to allocate a substantial portion of its capital to Bitcoin has been both praised and scrutinized, making MicroStrategy somewhat unique among publicly traded companies. To be transparent, I've invested in this particular stock via my pension, my self-invested personal pension or SIP, and I've done this because I'm convinced by Bitcoin and I wanted some more exposure to Bitcoin. If you're not sure by Bitcoin or you're on the fence, watch some of Michael Saylor's content on YouTube. The co-founder of MicroStrategy is very convinced when he talks about Bitcoin and the future of Bitcoin. Stock number 4 is Tesla. Currently, Tesla has a market cap of $662 billion and a stock price of $211. Tesla is an electric vehicle, EV, and clean energy company. Founded by Elon Musk, Tesla has become a prominent player in the automotive industry, known for its electric cars, energy storage solutions, and solar products. Going back to the earlier point on market disruption, imagine if Tesla are the first company to mass produce driverless taxis. What's this going to do to the share price? Tesla's stock has experienced significant volatility, with its value influenced by factors such as production numbers, delivery figures, technological advancements, regulatory developments, and market sentiment. The company has attracted attention not only for its electric vehicles, but also for its ambitious goals in advancing renewable energy and on autonomous driving technology. Well worth checking out. Stock number 5 is Coinbase. Currently, Coinbase has a market cap of $29 billion and a stock price of $123. Coinbase Global is a leading cryptocurrency exchange platform that allows users to buy, sell, and trade a variety of cryptocurrencies, including popular ones like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Coinbase went public through a direct listing on the Nasdaq stock exchange in April 2021, making it one of the first major crypto companies to be listed on the US stock exchange. Coinbase's stock performance is closely tied to the broader cryptocurrency market and influenced by factors such as trading volumes, regulatory developments, market trends, and the adoption of cryptocurrencies. The company generates revenue primarily through transaction fees on its platform. The bull market is about to start in 2024 as I'm recording this video, and I'm very optimistic about crypto and the adoption of crypto, and I see the stock price of Coinbase outperform the S&P as a whole by a significant amount, and it's a stock I've recently invested into. So there you have it, 5 stocks to consider and why tech and AI is going to outperform the S&P 500 in my humble opinion. The future is coming whether me or you like it or not. We may as well invest into the future and protect ourselves financially. But what if single stocks are not for you? They're just too high risk. Well, if you look below in the description, you're going to find a video that has you covered with a safe, low-risk way of investing in the stock market. Anyway, that's it for today. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for listening.